So students, this is one more case from the linear equation. Again, but this time the equation is not in the form of linear equation. This is a fractional form. You can see fractions at the left hand side and fraction at the right hand side. So initially we have to use rules of arithmetic. Like in this case, both the brackets are connected with this difference sign. So we need to solve the left hand side first. Whenever we have this negative sign or plus sign in between two terms, we always go for LCM. You can see that 3 and 2 are two different denominators. So taking the LCM of these both would give me 6. We need to multiply 2 to make this denominator equal to 6 in the first bracket, and the second bracket would be multiplied by 3 to make it equal to 6. Now since the denominators 3 into 2 and 2 into 3 are equal to 6, we'll simplify the numerators. So 4 into 2 is 8x. We'll keep this 3 outside the bracket. X minus 1 would be written down as it is, and the right hand side, which is in the mixed form, will convert this into improper fraction. So this would be 5 over 4. Here you can see that the 6 and 4 can be cancelled with each other. So we'll directly, instead of moving this 6 at the right hand side, we'll cancel these both here. Simplifying the numerator, 8x would be written down as it is. 3 into, we'll expand this bracket. 3 into x is 3x, minus is plus, 3 into 1 is 3. At the right hand side we are left with 5. Using the cross multiplication rule, we'll move this 3 next to 5 and we'll move this 2 at the left hand side here. So writing this 3 here and 2 outside the bracket at the left hand side. Now seeing the like terms and simplifying them, 8x and 3x are like terms. So solving them both would give me 5x plus 3. 2 is outside the bracket, and at the right hand side we are left with 15. So quickly expanding the bracket, this is how a fractional form is converted into a linear equation. Using the rules explained in the previous slides, in the previous lectures, you can directly apply inverse operation rule to find the value of x. To make the coefficient of x equals to 1, we need to divide 10 on both the sides. So again in this case, the value of x is a fractional value which is equal to 9 over 10. This is the answer of the given expression.